One of the main components of ice panels is expanded polystyrene, also known as EPS. It arrives at our plant as raw resin beads and is expanded in our plant using steam. The steam activates pentane, a gas that causes the beads to expand approximately 40 times in size. There are no CFCs or HFCs released when expanding the EPS, making it one of the most environmentally friendly foam insulations on the market. When EPS is expanded using the steam method, it absorbs atmospheric air. Some types of foam insulation are created using different chemical reactions. The foam cells in these products are filled with artificial gas, slowly releasing over time, known as off-gassing. Not only is it toxic, but it's the R value escaping from your insulation, reducing the efficiency in your walls. At Greenstone, after the EPS is expanded, the pentane is off-gassed in a highly controlled environment, leaving just the expanded EPS beads filled with atmospheric air. By the time the ice panels leave our plant, they are permanently stable and no further off-gassing will occur. This ensures that the R value of the ice panel remains the same long-term. If you want to learn more about ice panels, head over to gsbp.ca.